The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2016 through 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 5-door SUV with factory installed flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rail base rack system. This is made up of the Wingbar Evo load bars, 47 inches in length. Silver shown here, but black is also available. The flush rail foot pack, which comes in a set of 4. A vehicle-specific fitting kit, 186020. Overall, you have a 165-pound carrying capacity, and crossbars can be mounted along the length of the flush side rail. So a great rack for all different types of gear and accessories like bikes, kayaks, cargo, etc. For easy ordering of this kit, or more details or pictures, please visit our website with a link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.